I'm Kaylin. Welcome back to WorldCraft Logistics TV. Let me ask you these questions. Is your business affected by the labor shortage? Do you know that nowadays, many types of warehouse automations are designed to overcome these challenges? Warehouse automations is a process of using one or several types of automated technologies to automate manual warehouse operations with minimal human assistance. An inefficient warehouse can lead to negative impacts like delayed delivery times, poor customer experience, unnecessary costs, human errors, and long processing time. So the aim of automation in warehouses is to minimize physical work and manual data entry and analysis, which can cause slowdowns in order fulfillment and inventory control. Now, let's take a look at some example of automation technology in warehouse. Good-to-person GTP, Automated Storage and Retrieval Systems, ASRS, Automatic Guided Vehicles, AGVS, Autonomous Mobile Robots, AMRS, Pick-to-Light and Put-to-Light Systems, Voice Picking and Tasking, Automated Sortation Systems. Hey, but don't make it complicated. Warehouse automation does not always require physical or robotic automation. Let's make it like this. Automation simply refers to using software to replace manual data entry and analysis. That's it. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe us. See ya!